This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, July 11th. It is a summer day in Alabama, which means it's kind of hot, kind of humid, and it's raining in spots. Let's go right to the radar. Some of the storms are strong, which is typically the case on a summer day. We're live here at 3:08 this afternoon. And the more active showers and storms really are across the central counties of the state. We've got several little clusters of storms in progress here. First off, we'll take a look at the eastern side of the state. Got some decent downpours over parts of Chambers and Lee counties. Thunderstorm just east of Opelika. Raining heavily along Interstate 85, right below Lynette. Got a pretty good thunderstorm around Phoenix City. And thunderstorms in progress in Macon County south of Tuskegee. Some pretty strong storms in progress over West Alabama. These are not severe. They're loud and noisy. We note one pretty good thunderstorm just to the east of the city of Tuscaloosa. This is out toward Cottondale and Peterson and Holt. A lot of cloud-to-ground lightning there. Strong storm north of Marion, around Heiberger along Highway 5. Thunderstorms in progress southwest of Selma. Orville down to near Old Cahaba. In West Alabama, rain falling from Pickens County around Reform. Got some thunder going there. Heavier storms down into parts of Sumter County, York, Livingston getting rain this afternoon. Stronger storms coming into northwestern Choctaw County, northwest of Butler. And again, all of these are moving down to the east. We'll check the Gulf Coast. It's nice, just really nice. Gulf Shores, Fort Morgan, Orange Beach, all the way to Panama City Beach. No rain at all, just a glorious day there. Got some pretty decent downpours in parts of southwest Alabama, parts of Clark County, pretty good storm just east of Jackson. In Conecuh County, good storm just to the south of Evergreen. And Wilcox County, a pretty good storm around Oak Hill, which is east of Camden. We'll check the Tennessee Valley. Things are pretty quiet there. We've had some pretty good downpours earlier today. A lot of those have dissipated. We know one good thunderstorm complex that's now formed east of Gadsden, out toward Ball Play, down toward Rainbow City and Southside. Another good downpour around Attala. One little small shower sitting on top of Arab. And again, all of these things are basically driven by the daytime heating process, which of course means they'll fade once the sun goes down later this evening. And it's the same thing. This is summertime in Alabama. The weather just doesn't change a lot in July and August and early September. Hot, muggy days with these random showers and storms. Here's the upper air look today. And again, there's a little weakness in the upper ridge here, which has allowed for the storms to be a bit more active today. That's the visible satellite view. And the radar composite. Across the deep south, you can see those various storm clusters. Many spots are below 90 today, which is a win. Listen, anytime you're below 90 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a July day, that's a win. Birmingham, 89. Ashland and Clay County, 82. But a few spots are over 90. The notable points there, Huntsville and Dothan, they've got 93 for the state's hot spots. Mobile, 89. Same for Birmingham, Montgomery, 86. We note a tornado watch today way up north, parts of Iowa, western Illinois, extreme northern Missouri, and flash flood watches for parts of Oklahoma, the Texas Panhandle, northeast New Mexico. Got a level 3 out of 5 risk of severe storms today, north of St. Louis, almost to near Chicago. The broader risk running from the plains of Colorado and New Mexico into the Great Lakes. This is tomorrow, kind of the same zone, risk of severe storms from West Texas, New Mexico, up into the Great Lakes. And on day 3, which is Sunday, marginal risks well to the north and west of Alabama. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And understand, some people are going to get more than this. For today, I would say parts of West Alabama have seen over 1 inch of rain in just 1 hour. But on an average basis, 1/2 to 1 inch for most of the state for the next 7 days. This is valid through Friday morning of next week. Tropics are just dead. The Atlantic Basin, let me rephrase that. The Atlantic Basin is just quiet as could be. Gulf, Caribbean, main development region, nothing. No tropical storms, no hurricanes for the next 7 days. Just thought we peek at the probabilistic outlook coming off the European ensemble. This is the probability of tropical depression formation in the Gulf for the next 10 days. This carries us out through Monday, July 21st. 0, no chance. A lot of crazy stuff floating around the Uncle Joe Facebook pages, Uncle Joe's Hurricane Center pages, forecasting hurricanes next week. I just wanted to give everybody a level of comfort here if you're going down to Gulf Shores or Panama City or Destin next week. It looks good. And listen, you have the chance of a storm every day on the Gulf Coast. Every day. But it looks quiet in terms of the tropics next week. At some point, we all know it's going to heat up out there, but not next week. So, model fans, here we go. GFS, 12Z run, 4 o'clock tomorrow. Pretty good shortwave coming into the Great Lakes, extending down into the Great Plains. And again, it's no real change for us. Classic summertime weather. This is the high-resolution HER. Tomorrow evening at 6. A little spotty showers and storms about. Not raining everywhere, but like today, some spots could see a good downpour. And highs should exceed 90 in most spots. Same thing on Sunday. In evidence next week, the air aloft could be a little warmer, the air a little more stable, the number of showers and storms coming down a bit, but there'll still be a chance of an afternoon storm next week, and I think we'll see mid-90s. I would suggest it will probably be the hottest week so far this summer. Again, there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Toward the end of the week, the air aloft a little colder, the air a bit more unstable, and storms will likely increase again. This is a week from today, Friday the 18th. Troughing to the north, a pretty good weakness in the ridge, and that should allow some increase in scattered showers and storms. But again, the key word is scattered. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, July 21st. Again, got a flat ridge in place. And again, old summertime weather. Partly sunny, hot, humid, with scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. Just look at rain for the next 15 days. Coming off the GFS ensemble today, the mean, it's between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 25th of July. Temperatures looking this way for the next 10 days. Highs, low to mid-90s. Lows, low to mid-70s. And the latest long-range guidance. This is yesterday's. Let's see if the new outlook is in, and it is. So we'll drop it in here. We'll see the change. And we flip to temperatures maybe being a little above average. This is for July 19th through July 25th. But again, no sign of any excessive heat. And I define that in the deep south as upper 90s or higher this time of the year. But what we got to do right now is roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam video. Yes, indeed. I like this a lot. Big brothers, big sisters of Greater Birmingham. We had a good session this morning. We had so much fun. And let me tell you what, this cake is outstanding. Wow. Tremendous. I like that a lot. But we did some storm spotting. You can learn weather in the summer. You sure can. We talked about ways of staying safe during times of active weather, but they were just great today. So again, to all my friends here at Big Brothers, Big Sisters, Birmingham, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know you guys are looking good. So again, here's the radar. We're live at 3:16 on this Friday afternoon. And you can see the pockets of showers and storms coming across the state. For some of you, it's just sunny with low 90s. For others, it's pouring rain with 70s. So it goes on a summer day. And again, we'll get those dissipated later this evening by 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. So don't forget, tomorrow it's a book signing. Hey, we are coming to Chatham, Washington County, the great southwest part of Alabama. Come see us. Anywhere from Butler to Mobile. It's worth the drive. We're going to be at the Washington County Public Library from 10 to noon. At 10, I'm going to do a little miniature storm spotting session and some severe weather safety. We'll do the book signing between 10:30 and noon. We'll have all the children's books there, the Benny and Chipper series. We'll have the All You Can Do Is Pray. That's the book about our generational tornado event on April 27, 2011. Weathering Life, which is my story. All the cool weather shirts for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. We have a lot of fun. We take a lot of pictures. So again, come see us tomorrow in Chatham at the Washington County Public Library. And of course, we invite you to watch us on the television side, ABC 3340 News this evening. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous weekend, and God bless.